Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and we're moving right along with our Christmas Spectacular. That's videos every day until Christmas Day at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as 80% of you are unsubscribed. Hopefully today's the day you click the button. And don't forget to click the bell notification so you know anytime I go live. Today, we have the perfect way to start your Christmas day or any day during the holiday season with liquor. Today, we're making mimosas, and they are super simple, super easy to do. What you want to do is grab a couple of champagne flutes. Then you want to fill the champagne flutes with 25% champagne, sparkling wine, Prosecco. I know champagne has to be from the Champagne region of France. So, whichever one you like. This is actually sparkling wine. And got a little bit much in that one, so I decided to have a little taste test myself. And then you just want to fill the rest of it up to the top with orange juice. Easy. And that's pretty much it. So that's mimosas. Done.